Look at this, I just got home from work. Look at this dinner I get here, man. This is delicious. She's so good to me, thank you. Steaks on the grill, thank you so much, delicious. We're watching some Redneck Mud Park videos. She's so good to me, thank you.
It's true, don't forget it.
Don't forget it that you're good to me, that's great. Oh, and by the way, don't do anything that's stupid, okay? Because if that truck rides or goes backwards, you're gonna be in trouble. I love HD videos too. You like HD videos?
Yes, I love it.
All right, dinner time.
I seen you out here. Did you fix that golf cart of yours? No.
Wait, you gotta check it out. Limitless 4x4. You gotta go to their Facebook page, man. Check it out. He ripped apart my golf cart. He showed me some pictures of some stuff that he's gonna put on it. Go like their page, man. I can't wait till my golf cart is finished. Okay, so now that I'm getting my golf cart taken care of, remember when I knocked off my air conditioner and the TV antenna because I went under a gas station, I was really low, and there goes the AC, there goes the antenna. I dropped it off at a shop in Orlando and they repaired it. I ended up paying for the rubber roof because the rubber roof, I don't know, it's supposed to say lifetime warranty on it or whatever it is. So they did a rubber roof, they put up a new antenna, they fixed my air conditioner, and a year later I got a leak. And I'll show you the messages that I've been talking to them back and forth, but I had a leak. And basically he blamed the leak on me, that I go off road and it loosened the bolts in the air conditioner, so that's why I have a leak. So he didn't even want to look at it. He didn't say, hey, come and bring it, or I'll come and take a look at it, whatever it is. Let's see what's going on. All he did was just say, what, are you trying to blame my company for the repair? We did a good repair. We give a warranty for 30 days or whatever it is, just like everybody else. But I don't know, I want your opinion. Take a look at this repair. Tell me if this is a good repair. This is somewhere around a year later. You can see like all the grooves, the junction between the patch up work and what I had there or whatever it is, but I don't know if you guys know anything about it. It's the rubber roof. I looked it up online, and rubber roof's supposed to last forever or whatever. So I wanted a rubber roof. I paid for a rubber roof. But now I got a leak, my bed is messed up, my floors are messed up, the whole roof in the RV is messed up. I don't know, is this a good repair job? Okay, so here's the deal. So I sent you a message that the roof was leaking in the RV after you fixed it, and you're blaming me on, I guess what'd you say, that I take it off road and everything gets loose. Tell me what this has to do with getting loose over here. Here's the repair job. This is where everything's leaking. So I had somebody take a look at it. I'll send you a copy of the text message. He said it was done by an amateur. I mean, I don't know this stuff. This guy apparently worked in Indiana building RVs, and I guess whoever watches this video will determine if this is an amateur job or not. But my roof is all messed up in there, and I think my floors are messed up. But look, this is how you repaired it. That's where everything's leaking. So you put in a new antenna, and I mean, I guess if this is how it's supposed to be done, this is how it's supposed to be done. I'll pay for it to fix, but look, see, it's all mushy here. Everything's ruined. So we'll see. Do you want to take blame for this or not? Let's see what your response is going to be to this. This is how it's supposed to be fixed, but that's where it's leaking in all these. That's good, but I showed you that part right there. And everywhere around here, look at this. Here's where water gets, look at that. Here's where water gets underneath. That's the repair job that I had. I don't know, whoever's watching this video, what do you think? Is this a good repair? So I sent them that video on Sunday. No, Saturday or Sunday, I don't know. No response. Now it's, what is it, Tuesday, Adriana? I don't know. Long story short, I got no response from them. No response. So now I'm gonna have to pay for it again. But what'd you think of that roof? So now here's some screenshots of the messages that went back and forth. You see, I sent them a message as far as telling them about the leak, because what ended up happening is I had the RV in storage. And then I was showing somebody the RV, I walk in there and there it is, it's got leaks in it. And he's blaming me for it, that if you know you have leaks, you should take care of it right away. When it's in storage and you have a lifetime rubber roof, I'm sorry, but I didn't expect a leak. But anyway, long story short, again, is he told me that because I have, because I go off-road and it loosens up the bolts, the air conditioner got loose and now it's leaking. Look at this. Is it because of the, is it because I went off-road? So yes, because the insurance company helped me pay for the RV to get the roof fixed, I figured let me see if I can talk to them and they'll help me deal with the guy. But they really didn't do anything. They didn't really care. So I guess it's all up to me. And I guess he knew that. So that's why he didn't help me fix it. I figured that maybe if the insurance company helped me pay for the RV to get it fixed, that they'll be wondering who I gave the money to and they'll kind of back me up and help me deal with it. But that wasn't the situation. So I got to deal with it myself. And like I said, I guess the guy knew that. So now what it boils down to is now I need to find somebody to help me fix my RV.